As a custom installer, you may have rebate programs with several distributors, earning a few points here or there over the course of a quarter. But the rewards aren't that significant because your large purchases like projectors, security panels, and other A-branded rebates are scattered across different suppliers. What if you could earn weekly rewards that automatically get loaded on credit on your account easily and quickly? Introducing Wave Electronics Premier Program. Wave is already your one-stop shop for residential and commercial AV goods, security systems, and home automation. But with the Premier program, you'll net a larger rebate amount across the board when you purchase from participating vendors at Wave Electronics. How does the Premier program work? First, sign up online at rewards.wave-electronics.com. Purchasing premium products like Savant, Martin Logan, or IllumaView will earn you percentages each week. That amount will be auto-loaded to your Wave store credit. All your earn-back percentages are conveniently located in one place. It's that simple. Here's an example. Let's say you're a current dealer that purchases $2,000 worth of IllumaView security systems in a week. IllumaView will return you 3% on those purchases, earning you back $60. But let's say you buy $5,000 worth of Martin Logan outdoor speakers, which will earn you 4% on those purchases, meaning you'll earn another $200. That's a total of $260 auto-loaded on your Wave store credit. But it gets even better. If you're new to a line or haven't purchased with our participating vendors in the past 12 months, you're rewarded with a larger percentage. That would bump you up to 5% for products from IllumaView and 6% for Martin Logan. You'll now have earned $400 with your Wave Premier program. The more you buy from participating vendors, the more you'll earn if just by doing business with Wave Electronics. Consolidate your purchases to Wave Electronics and be rewarded with the best rebate program in the industry.